A flat car battery can be a real pain, and even worse, can damage your car battery, drastically reducing its lifespan. Now, flat batteries can be caused by alternator charging issues or from your vehicle standing for too long unused. Putting your car's battery on charge when it's low or not being used can save you thousands in replacements. Not to mention the frustration of turning the key and nothing happens. Builders have a range of battery chargers to suit your needs. They range from 6 to 8 and even 12 amp, with the 6 amp being compact and affordable and the 12 amps charging your battery in less than half the time. They are perfect for charging 12 volt batteries like the ones found in bikes, cars, 4x4s, trucks and even boats. Some chargers like these two can also charge 6 volt batteries like the ones used in lighting equipment, rechargeable vehicles like golf carts, UPSs and even some recreational vehicles. They also have charge indicators to show you the battery's capacity or faults. For a range of automotive accessories available at Builders, visit in store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.